I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select eForm. Choose a form. Next, search and select BitForm as an action. Give here the client ID. So, go to the BitForm dashboard. App Setting. API. Copy the API key and save it. Then go to the Bit Integrations dashboard and paste it into the client ID. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Next, choose a form. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next, finish and save it. Let's submit the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to your BitForm dashboard. Under the Actions, click on 3 dots and go to the Responses. Here you can see that the data came successfully into the BitForm. Thanks for watching.